Understanding rational numbers, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of mathematics and explore a fascinating concept, rational numbers. Whether you're new to English or mathematics, this video is designed to make understanding rational numbers easy and fun. So, let's get started. Rational numbers are a type of number that we can write as a fraction, where both the numerator, the top number, and the denominator, the bottom number, are integers, and the denominator is not zero. The key point here is that every rational number can be expressed as a fraction. For example, 12, frac. 1, 2, 21, 43, frac. 4, 3, 34, and minus 56, frac. 5, 6, minus 65 are all rational numbers. Rational numbers have some interesting characteristics. 1. They can be positive or negative. For instance, 34, frac. 3, 4, 43 is positive, while minus 3, 4, frac. 3, 4, minus 43 is negative. 2. They can be whole numbers or fractions. Numbers like 0, 1, minus 2 are also rational because we can write them as 01, frac. 0, 1, 10, 11, frac. 1, 1, 11, minus 2, 1, frac. Minus 2, 1, 1 minus 2. 3. Decimal representation. Rational numbers can be represented as repeating or terminating decimals. For example, 13 equals 0.333, frac. 1, 3, equals 0.33331 equals 0.333, repeating, and 12 equals 0.5, frac. 1, 2, equals 0.521 equals 0.5, terminating. It's important to differentiate between rational and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers cannot be expressed as a simple fraction. Examples include pi, and the square root of 2. These numbers have non-repeating, non-terminating decimal representations. I hope this video has helped clarify what rational numbers are and how they are distinguished from other types of numbers. Remember, the key is in their ability to be expressed as fractions. Keep practicing, and soon, understanding these concepts will be as easy as pi, or should we say, as easy as pi 1, frac. Pi 1, 1 pi. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!